Here off of the mudroom is the ultimate laundry. We've got plenty of storage and plenty of counter space. This bay window presented some challenges with the plumbing, being back set with this extra counter space for bringing in some natural foliage. And then with the mudroom, we have your own dog wash. Wash the pets down. We've got the door that's activated by the dog's collar, so they can go out to the dog run as they need to, but you still have the security of knowing that somebody can't just come right in. So this giant vaulted window with the tile surround proposed some challenges with getting the tile installed after this countertop was put in. We had to fabricate a special scaffolding for them to be able to elevate above the countertop without damaging this quartz material, and it turned out quite nicely. Very convenient basket space for loading in and out. They also have their own washer dryer in the master suite. So 3 things that I would include in a laundry remodel are: 1, you've got to have a sink for cleanup. Plenty of counter space around that sink, getting out stains, scrubbing tennis shoes. Another feature that I would include would be 2 washers and dryers, so that you can cut down on that laundry time, keep it quick. And finally, a hanging rod for drying those damp clothes that didn't quite make it, or wools, things that you can't put into the dryer. That way you don't have to find a space for them. It's right here in the laundry room and not taking up space in other areas.